Hello, friends. How are you all doing? Today, I'll be speaking on a very interesting and people would love this topic. It's on how to have more money in your life. Money, 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 money. Okay. So, in the Magic Book, Rhonda Byrne mentions about how we should uh, act in the sense of gratitude for money so that you have abundance in that aspect. You have abundant wealth in your life. So I know whatever the situation right now you are in, okay, if you don't have enough, which means that some or the other way you're sending negative thoughts to the universe that I'm not having enough money, which which is sort of a complaint, okay, to the universe, and hence that could be a reason that there's not enough in your life right now. So uh, I know, I understand that ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है आप बोलो कि ग्रैटिट्यूड हो जब पैसे ही नहीं है हमारे पास, तो हाउ कैन वी फील ग्रैटिट्यूड, हाउ कैन वी show the gratitude. So the practice that needs to be followed is you will have to think, go back to your childhood, from the days where you have received a lot of stuff. I think someone is online. Can I just have a look at it once? Okay. So, uh, how do we be grateful when we don't have enough practically? So so as I mentioned, we need to go back to our childhood where we have got free education, free school lunches, free travel to the school, all our birthdays celebrated, a home to live in, all the things which we have received free of charge from our parents, okay, or from someone, and you absolutely had got everything free, so you need to think about this and close your eyes and think about this and be really really grateful for all this that you have received since last whatever 25 30 years, college education, your uh, wherever there was a need, or probably you must have fallen sick and you must have visited the doctor, the dentist, and whatnot. So you need to consider and reflect on all the things that have happened in your life where you didn't have to spend anything from your pocket. Okay, that will help you gain or a feeling of gratitude towards money, and your relationship will with money will be on a good terms and on a positive note. And then the second practice that needs to be followed after you do this is you need to take uh, any particular uh, you know uh, rupee note or any denomination or any currency that you are using. Okay, so I have taken a 500 rupee note, and you can use any other currency, or any favorite note of yours. In India we may have we get some gifts also in sort of some auspicious occasions like Raksha Bandhan or something, where we get some money, and if those money you have kept it aside as a a memory, as a token of gratitude, you can take those notes, and in on that note you can mention this particular statement: thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. Okay, just mention this and just stick this on your currency on your note. Okay, and keep this either in your wallet or purse. And whenever you have time in a day, maybe 3 to 4 times in a day, just pick out this note, just read out, just be sincere, and just close your eyes and be sincere and be really thankful for whatever money that you have in your life till now. It all depends on how much you feel and how sincere you are towards expressing your thank you towards money. And you will see miraculously money coming in your life from unexpected sources. And I would love to hear from you once you start doing this practice. uh, Whenever some miracle happens in your life, whatever that is, okay, i would I would want you to know, I would be happy, or in fact very curious to know some miracles happening in your life. So along with this practice, please continue the earlier practices that we have discussed: count your blessings, the gratitude rock, and magical relationships and magical health. All this combined will really make a huge difference in your life, and hope it happens very soon. All the miracles happening in your life in all the areas of life. I wish you all the best. God bless. Thank you so much.